Hey everybody, it's Chris from Steeda, and today we have a 2022 F-150 with the 5-liter Coyote under the hood. We're going to show you some exhaust sound clips of the AWE OFG dual split catback with black tips fitting your 21 Plus F-150. Let's get those sound clips rolling. Please comment below, let us know your thoughts on how this AWE catback sounds on the 21 Plus F-150. Personally, I'm a big fan, and you can't beat the fact it doesn't have any drone inside the cabin. Keep in mind that if you do have a regular cab, 5.5-foot bed F-150, there is some modification to install, and that modification is cutting about 22 inches off of the mid pipe. But aside from that, it fit great, it looks great, it sounds great. It's the perfect catback for your 21 Plus F-150. Hit that like and subscribe button, the notification bell, and don't forget the most important thing, speed matters.